Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Now today I'm going to be working on the floor and pointing up the steps, but before I can do that I've got to have a tidy up, and then I'll need to accurately gauge how many of the lovely red tiles I've got to work with. Sure, I've got enough to the wall now, but I need to establish how many I've got for the other areas. So a quick tidy up and we'll get going. It is cold today, I need to get moving. So whilst digging, I found another one of those kind of low spots, and it's where moisture in the ground is passing out of the building through this point here. So what I'm going to do again is remove all the loose stuff, and then we'll get some gravel in now into membrane so it stays clean and it drains away. I don't want it to be a constant damp area, although it will evaporate through the floor. We still want to lower it down. Okay, you never know what you're going to come up against. I found a piece of china in the floor as well. It's certainly not one of my cups. Who knows how old that is, you know. We'll have a look at that a bit later. Once again, digging some more of the floor out. Okay. Not as bad this time. It's just the loose soil and not the rock. All this loose dirt will hold on to the moisture a lot more than free-flowing clean gravel will in a membrane. It will just evaporate. Now, there is a very large upstand here. We'll get a level on that. Hopefully we don't have to touch it. Glamorous life, eh? Let's see whether we are below level. It's looking rather tight. Spirit level. I may just get away with that. Yep. Just go a bit thinner with the gravel. It's not going anywhere, it's solid rock. So yes, I've got to remove any rock. That's one good thing today. Yep, I think I need a new trigger broom, don't I? Let's get some fresh air outside. Well, it certainly doesn't take long to warm up, that's for sure. So what I found in the floor there, in the clay floor, amongst all the bedrock and the hard stone, there's natural voids where moisture, don't forget the land behind the cottage is so much higher. I've dug it out inside so it kind of comes in, goes down below the membrane that I put across the back wall, if you're keeping up, and then it naturally finds its way under the property. And that was one of those points where it comes out. So it enters below the property or sometimes in the back wall, passes through and then just runs out the front this way. That's just how it was made. Now the second you start putting stuff in there to block it, you're going to get a build up. So that's why I've always gone with this project with the ethos of letting everything breathe, not trapping anything, letting it come out. So that's what I'm about to do, clear that little void out in the floor, put a membrane down, gravel in and close it back up so that the gravel stays clean, doesn't get clogged with mud over the years, and in that way it just lowers the kind of moisture level in the ground. And then on top of that we'll have our gravel and our lime and our terracotta. Yeah, you never know what you're going to come up against when you do these places. Doesn't look like there's any cane going out of solid rock, which is always a bonus. Right, let's get back in there. Snow forecast once again. I won't be getting caught out in that again. We popped out the other day, we checked the weather forecast, vitally important. Mine said a chance of a flurry. Tom's phone said 5 centimetres, so I thought, well, we're only just going down the road. We popped out, got a few bits, had a look around property, and then we came back. But on the way back, within 5 minutes, it came out of nowhere, and we literally had to pull over and stop because we couldn't see. So don't get caught out like that. I certainly won't be going out anywhere today, not just because of the snow, but because I've got a puncture as well. That's another day. Let's go inside. That will need repairing across here. We'll fill this up. This is the rock. We'll fill that up level with the gravel. So it's got something to permeate out and under the wall. And then we'll have to repair that. Yep, not a problem. Yep, some mornings you just get up and you think, I'm going to do that today. And then you come in here and you start something, you think it won't take too long. And you have to dig some floor out and you think, okay. But it's all got to be dealt with. It's better that I find it now than later on. You can tell who wraps the Christmas presents up, can't you? It's not me. Okay. Just do it like that for now, just to keep it all nice and clean. Time for a mix. Now what the aim is here, to kind of level it off and then create a decent base for me just to build up from here. So we'll level this off. Here's that piece of china that I come across. It's like just a white cup or a bowl, I think, with like a blue band round, probably early 1900s. It's interesting to think that someone was maybe sitting down by the window looking out thinking, oh, I've got to get up in a minute and get out of that farmyard. I will keep that bit though. Right, let's have a count up of those tiles. I'm eager to know for sure. Now I know I can do it by the tape measure, but sometimes it's just more satisfying. I'll lay it out like this. Quite a few, it's deceiving. So what have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 by 9, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, yeah, maybe 9. So 9 nines are 81. So after around about 80 tiles. Well, I've done some rough mathematics, and if I continue going on straight to the front of the wall, I'm going to need at least 80 to 90, and I've got roughly 130 to 140, give or take some breakages. So I've got enough to hit that wall, which is really good. And then it's just a case of, okay, I'm going to need some cuts. So I think pretty much I've got enough to do this whole band with some odd ones that I can maybe kind of blend the line in, should I not want that line. I'm getting there with it for sure. What do you think? Bit unexpected having to deal with that hole and the wall repair, but that is just how it goes. I didn't really want to be mixing too much up today. It's not really good once you get near -5 with any sorts of mortar, especially lime. So I'm going to say those words. That is it for this video. See you in the next one. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave us a comment and a thumbs up. Bye for now.